Hello and welcome to SSC100. This brief video is going to give you an overview of our course, show you where to find some important details, and give you an idea of where we're going to start in our studies. So, to log into our course, you're first going to find yourself within the Deltec portal, and you'll notice that with the courses, you'll have D2L, which is Desire to Learn. So you'll click on that link under Courses, D2L, and you'll find yourself with a list of your courses within our learning platform. You're going to click on ours, SSC100, and you'll find yourself at this welcome page. And you'll notice a couple of things to start. First is a quick greeting telling you what the class is about, like developing strategies and techniques, identifying college resources, explaining the connection between student life activities and academic and career success, and then outlining academic and career-related goals and objectives. So, as this says, it'll be a 7-week course, and we're going to communicate in a hybrid format, so we'll meet in class every other week. Alright, so some things on the right-hand side are upcoming events. Events meaning upcoming due dates that you'll notice. Our week does start the week of the 27th of August. So, you'll notice that our items are due at 11:59 the Sunday after the Monday of the week. So, for example, we start August 27th. The first couple of things are due September 2nd. And that'll hold true throughout our 7-week semester. Everything is due, unless otherwise noted, at 11:59 on that Sunday ending the week, Monday through Sunday. Alright, now, how do we get going? We're going to click on Content, and you'll find yourself with this handy, what I call the navigation bar on the left-hand side. So, if you find yourself overwhelmed or lost within the course, always click that Content button up at the top, and it'll get you back to where you need to be. So we're going to start with week 0. And that is going to give you some important information, including your syllabi, or your syllabus, and your class expectations. So the syllabus will outline everything of our learning objectives, and the class expectations give you all of the things that are expected of you, that you can expect from me, and we can expect from each other. Also in this section is a little blurb about myself. Just that I've been teaching at Deltec since fall of 2017, a little bit about what I enjoy outside of the classroom, and hopefully a fun pic to show you that I'm not all that serious all of the time. So the first week I'm looking forward to meeting you, to learning about you, to learn from you, and I'm looking forward to learning with you this semester. So that is week 0. That's getting us started. So let's go to week 1. And we'll start off with a couple of things. First of all, week 1 is a meeting of face-to-face. So we'll do some things on campus, including take a tour, an electronic walkthrough of the Deltec portal, what it has to offer, things like DegreeWorks, the student educational plan. All of those things will make sense the first week. And then after this class, the idea is that you'll have the knowledge to complete the resources reflection assignment. So after you take the tour, after we do a little electronic walkthrough in the classroom, you'll recall the information, identify 3 resources that you might use, and how they're going to be helpful for your academic career. I also stuck a link in there of some different resources that you can find on the Deltec website to sort of refresh you, maybe give you some extra ideas. And then just a quick 10-minute quiz to review to make sure everybody's kind of on the same page, to make sure that we have a good understanding of that first week, which is super important. So then on week 2, that's going to be an online week. So you'll work with your groups. The assignments are provided in the Policies Info worksheet. You'll be assigned a group, you'll be assigned a topic, and you're going to use the appropriate group presentation discussion board to discuss all of your ideas for the assignment. And then when we get back into class on week 3, you're going to have 30 minutes to finalize your presentations to class. Nothing crazy, nothing terribly formal, just kind of sharing information it beats me droning on for an entire class period about the different policies and so forth that the college has. And it also kind of gives you a good practice in speaking publicly in front of your class. Some students, actually a lot of students, show and express hesitation in speaking in front of the class. And as you progress into your particular programs, that's going to become more and more important. So just a little practice there. It's also practice for the capstone project at the end of the course. And we'll talk about that later. So then after week 2, which is online again, we'll move on to week 3. So we'll be back face-to-face. Again, you'll have 30 minutes to finalize your presentations. And after our presentations, we're going to have various representatives from student clubs and organizations that'll have a chance to do a 2 or 3 minute short pitch about their organization. So this week you'll also be attending a student life activity, which is included here. You'll be filling out this worksheet that's attached, and then you'll be submitting that via D2L, so you'll have to upload that. And then we're going to be doing an assignment called What Club Do You Choose? You're going to do 5 to 7 sentences explaining why a certain club interests you, how it can help you become more connected to fellow students, and how it could help you with your education career at Deltec. I've also included here a couple of links of campus organizations and the campus activity calendar to help you do these 2 assignments. And again, those will be due Sunday, September 9th at 11:59. So that is a brief idea of what we're going to be doing in the course. Of course, we're going to be going through further detail within the first week. So I encourage you to attend that first class period. It's going to be super important, and lots of good information will be shared. So welcome to the course, and I encourage you to email me or talk to me the first week with any questions.